Greg. Mlaka moi. Pom bitimier. Mettez-moi flat. Thank you, Shay. J'aime bien, Greg. Greg, thank you for last night, man. Thank you. J'aime bien, Greg. Mlaka moi. Okay? Yes. Oui,
DJ Wicked.
Oui, j'aime bien.
DJ Wicked.
Bakalaka, moi, je viens de boire un coup. Faut me sonner bien, Greg. Parlez, les gens comme ça.
On a tank with the big fucking balls. And if anybody fuck with Snoop Doggy Dogg, I'ma make these niggas put his name on the wall. And everywhere I go, I got Mr. Major because I know that nigga don't care. He'll have that red shit pouring out your house. Nigga, any fucking time, nigga, any fucking world. Make 'em bleed is the motto that I live by. If you fuck with me, it's a must you die. Them niggas might go run, but them niggas can't hide. It's like shooting yourself. It's a suicide kill. See, got to be hitting hard like Burt. Niggas in the know you. Know a man is big hurt, just like Soda Stream wheels.
It's your weekend. Get out the way, son. Get out the way, son. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Move, bitch. Get out the way, son. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. Move, bitch. Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way. DJ Weekend. The fight's out. I'm about to punch your lights out. Get the fuck back. Guard the grill. It's something wrong. We can't stay still. I've been drinking and busting. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Been thinking of busting you up like the
C'est pas qu'il la mode, ils sont à faire.
the winds of more days, causing confusion, disturbing the peace. It's not an illusion. We running the streets. So bye bye to all you groupies and gold diggers. Is there a bumper on your ass? No, nigga. I'm doing 100 on the highway. So if you do the speed limit, get the fuck out of my way. I'm
DJ, get out.
hardly ever caught over. And you about to
Hey, don't forget up the body. Don't forget to get your pizza.
Wind up on the party, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wind up on the party, girl. Me want you come round your waistline for me. Baby, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you crazy.
Let's go.
What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, bend over, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, break off your back, till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back. And you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Broke off your back, broke off your
Everybody, stop move. Everybody, stop move.
Okay.
Wait. Hey.
She say I like the way you look at me, I'm screaming.
Okay.
I love the way you hold my hands, I'm dripping.
It's about DJ Wicked.
The way you take me today,
It's about DJ Wicked.
say I demand.
Everybody move.
The way you
Everybody
carry me
move.
today, body. Yeah, you burn me up, oh. Every day you are burning me up, oh. Yeah, you turn me up, oh. Anytime I look at you, turn me up, oh. Every day you take me up, oh. Tell me how you want to talk me slow. Now them serious, now them no nervous. Boy, let me tell you about.
Oi,
Man, all like ice cream.
this year weekend.
Some boy can't go round we. Hey, I know some the things hit me G. One phone call it take to make some boy wipe up her hurt and drop down flat. From you not stop my food, dog. Me no matter about you and me no care about that. Can't talk in a my face. Say them one place, I run and run round that. Man a action pack, some boy only full of tough chat. Enough of them stairs, so. Enough of them stairs, so. Enough of them stairs, so. Talk them a talk, no action pack. Enough of them stairs, so. Enough of them stairs, so.
Let's go. That's what I call a DJ, yo.
DJ Wicked.
On nous prend plaisir.
C'est toujours dans la rue, on y a dans qui passe, mais vite on local, dans des samedis, oh yeah yeah yeah, mais vite dans local, oh yeah yeah yeah, mais vite dans local, oh yeah yeah yeah.
So cool, don't be part of trouble.
T'as pas fait moyen, c'est qui m'a si pas connu. Tout le monde déjà connaît, qui m'a si qu'elle local là. Ouais, qui m'a si moi, tu me besoin local. Besoin local, mais dis-moi besoin local. Parce que je me local, qui pas fatal, et la baisse qui pas beau sale. Quand ça pas mal, les rétats pour fatal. Quand ça me mal, il y a la place que ça nous. Je vais tirer blanc avec qui j'ai blé pas chaud. Qui m'a si la diagonale, qui m'a si la bête, il la fait tout le monde la roue de Dieu. Qui m'a si la bête, il la fait tout le monde la roue de Dieu. Local,
Besoin local, local. Besoin local, local. Besoin local, local. Besoin local, local.
Base normal, non.
Yo, ce qui passe, c'est un bon base normal, là. Il va pas ça, il va aussi. Oui. Check, check. It's a more DJ Weekend.
DJ Weekend. Pull up. Dale. Keyboard là. Et keyboard là, t'as peut-être keyboard là.
Longtemps on fait de n'importe là. Yes, mon dalou qui bouge.
Weekend.
Ou pas temps, ou pas tout savoir. Résultat pas en faveur ou. Des fois qu'on est bon, tu lâches.
Thank you, guys.
Longtemps on fait de.
Thank you. All right, West Palm Beach. Once again, thank you guys. This is the 6th annual of the Haitian American Festival. Thank you guys for coming out. It took us 6 years to have so many of you guys to come out. It's a pleasure to have you guys. But too much. I don't have too much time to play, but it's all right. It's okay. Things happen in the back, you know what I mean? But it's all right. But one thing I'm about to say, keep it up. They've been done the Haitian American Music and Food Festival. This is the time for you guys to come out to promote West Palm Beach. At the end of the day, I have a tag in the back of my back that says West Palm Beach to the fullest. I am from West Palm Beach. Yo, guess what? I get booed so many places because I'm from West Palm Beach. I represent Palm Beach County from 2000 until now, and I'm still standing. West Palm Beach is fooling me. Make some noise! I am West Palm Beach. You know, you compare it from Haiti, you compare it from Orlando, you compare it from Miami, but guess what? I'm still here. This is my town, and I respect that. And I know I got the talent. Pas faire violence dans ville moi, because they ba nous crédit de dire que one day West Palm Beach will stand up. Sin compare avec tout le monde West Palm Beach, big up. Thank you. I love you guys.